Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how to start selling your coloring book online by promoting your coloring book on social media platform like TikTok and Instagram. But you should to create a video about your book. But in this video I will show you on a best AI software can you do that. Go to Tipfroj, you find the link in the description. And this software it's turn your coloring book into short form video. Just click on create, choose the page image you want to turn it to video, and here let's choose this. Click here, and here we choose the templates. Let's choose the first one, and here we can add the title of your book. Here we added the hook. Here a lot of hook you want to add it. Let's choose one, choose this, and here you add the call to action for drive people to your Amazon book. And now your video it start generated. Let's camera style, and here your video it start coloring. You don't need to color in your book and create and recording on camera. Just upload your book on Tipfroj and it starts create short form content, unlimited short form video for promoting your book. Here your video it start coloring, and it takes some 1 minute or 40 seconds. Now here the call to action, just click upload and your video it's uploaded to your desktop. It's finished. Now if you want to try Tipfroj, you find the link in the description, and see you the next one.